Hello smiley people, Mr. Lewin here, and today I'm taking you on a tour of Immersive Reader, Microsoft's online support tool that allows text to be read to you, translated to different languages and presented in different ways to make it easier to read. Let's start on the Teams page where teachers are posting your tasks. If you hover over a teacher's message or announcement, you'll see a set of emojis pop up with 3 grey dots at the end. Click these dots and a menu appears. We want to select the Immersive Reader option, which looks like this. This makes the message take up the whole screen. Let's start with the text preferences, which are these A's here. If we click on them, this menu appears. The first helpful things here are the ability to change your text size and increase the spacing between lines. You can also change the font. We often use Comic Sans in school to make things easier to read. The other thing you can change here is the background colour to make it easier to read. In my example, I'm changing it to blue. Next we're going to take a look at the grammar options, which involves the wand button here. To help you read the text, you may prefer it to show the syllables in each word. Can you see how it changes it? You can also highlight different classes of words. For example, clicking this option makes all the nouns turn purple. You can also flick this slider to show labels for each word. Back at the top, if we click the book, we get our reading preferences. The first option is our line focus. This means that you can reduce the amount of text you see on screen at any one time. You can choose one line, one paragraph, or all of the text. You can also use a picture dictionary to show pictures of some of the words when you click on them. There is also a built-in translate tool that will translate into a variety of languages for you. This can be done for a single word or for the whole document by using these sliders. Now let's move to the options at the bottom of our screen. The speaker at the bottom allows you to set your voice options. You can change the speed of the text being read to you to help you fully understand what is being said. And you can choose a male or a female voice. Click the play button and it will read the text to you.
Monday's assignment is to write a summary of the Lord of the Flies chapters in the Files section. Hand in on Wednesday the 17th of May. Joe Blogs, 11:56 a.m. Mr. Smith, how many words should the summary be? I've got 150 so far. Mr. Smith, Bridgewater and Taunton College Academies Trust, 12:32 p.m. Between 100 and 200 words, so 150 is just right. Well done, Joe. Remember to hand it in.
When you're finished, you just click the arrow in the top left to go back to the Teams page. The great thing about Teams is that you only need to set your preferences once. Any changes made will be remembered for next time you use Immersive Reader. These can be changed at any time to help you. You can also use Immersive Reader for assignments and Word documents. If you go to your assignments, the Reader button is in the top right. Click it to go to the same screen we had just now.
Hello. Due the 22nd of April, 2020 23:59. Instructions. Say hello to an animal.
For Word documents, click on the document and click Edit in the top right corner. Then you can go to the View tab and click on Immersive Reader. It will remember your preferences and appear as it did previously.
Shed. Shell. Shot. Brush. Blush. Flush.
To come out of it, click the arrow in the top left and close the tab. Well, I hope that's been helpful. For any more help or information, talk to your class teacher.